Guys, good morning. So, meron dito yung mga pangpalit na bedsheet. Papalitan ko yung mga punda tsaka bedsheet. Kasi parang uulan ata next week. Next week dapat yung may magpapalit, pero uulan ata. So napag-desisyonan ngayon na char. Pero uulan talaga next week. Kaya ngayon na kami magpapalit. Mas effective to, guys. Yung rolling. Ito, guys, 'di ba? Maraming mga buhok-buhok. Na siya, guys, may pa-surprise daw siya. Sabi niya cherry, may cherry kami. Mayor. Is that Mayor?
Yeah.
Really?
His other car, da.
His other car?
Da.
Ay. Itong parang may balak tong tumakbong mayor someday kasi kaway ng kaway. Come here na. I know, guys, ang dami niyang dala. Really? You bought something?
Huh?
You bought?
Da.
Okay, come here na. Ayan yun, guys, mga labada namin. Ciao, ciao! May dala nga siyang ganito, guys, oh. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung baon niya. Meron nga siyang strawberry tsaka grapes. Strawberry tsaka cherry. May cherry kami dito. Siguro mura yun. Ay ko lang to sa fridge. So, sabi niya, maglakad-lakad daw kami. So, magpre-prepare lang ako. So, ganito lang yung ayos ko, guys. So, paalis na kami.
We go.
Da?
Okay.
What now?
Let's see if it's...
What? Ayun niya, guys. So, pulang-pula na yung mga cherry. Ito yung tinanim namin, oh guys. Kahapon na telly na. Ayan, ayan. Ganito yung itsura, oh. Telly na. Ito yung garden. Uy, cherry, oh. Tapos bumili si Vlad ng bagong ano, pitas. Ewan ko, baka bagong pitas yun na cherry. Kaya bumili siya. Ayan naman yung kapitbahay namin. May gumamela dito, guys. Pero, nilalanggam siya. Ito, oh. Ayan, di ba? Langgam to, yung mga itim-itim. Langgam yan. Ang lalaking mga langgam. Hindi namin alam kung paano tanggalin. Ayun guys, dyan kasi siya nakalagay. Siguro dahil dito. Ito yung pinakamadaming bulaklak. Ito na guys, naglalakad kami. Ang dami mga cherry dito. Oh my gosh, they're red. They don't like to ano?
No,
I mean, they don't like to harvest.
they might harvest. But maybe they were at work. Like me.
Really? Ito na guys, naglalakad kami papunta sa Remarket. Punta daw kami Remarket.
So nice. Da, walk there. To the smell.
You know, I'm tired. Oh,
Really?
ang laki na mukha ko, no?
Feel tired of back home.
Ha? I'm just home.
So nice they made this house.
Da.
Because they work in Germany, in Spain. It's oriented, you know, the type of window, it's oriented from Spain.
Daming mga aso dito, nakakagulat sila.
This one, you make tea from this tree.
Oh. Ito guys. Ito guys. Tea
Rice.
for tea yan. Tea, tea.
Here is
For tea.
plums. These are plums very good to eat.
Where?
But my neighbor has, you know,
Dumitro.
Da.
Demetro.
that on it. That.
Siguro.
Let's walk more, Dominic. I'm
Okay.
challenge you to walk in the Mikalaka neighborhood.
Bine, let's go to
You want?
Mikalaka.
You want?
Da.
But walk slowly, not fast. Slowly.
So, dahan-dahan lang. You
There's
walk.
so many flies here. Ah. Have some flies. There are some flies.
Ah?
So the house is split into two like the other house there. So that's why it's like this. Look at the plums in the tree. So many plums. It's their garden, you know. It's their garden. So
Da.
they were the Robert. One was that we met. If it's poor of him, it's with problems.
Da?
The one who has money, and this one who is married and he has a daughter.
Da. Dito na kami sa Jumbo.
You not go to Lidl, no?
Huh?
Walking. Go to
You
Lidl.
want to go to Lidl?
There's a shawarma there.
Really? You want shawarma?
No. Because I'm afraid with my tummy don't make.
Why don't we buy for kebab again
Yes.
and then fita? What do you think? I like that one dombe. I like it. I wanna do it again. Dito kami sa Jumbo. You want? Huh?
Che.
You want to buy kebab? Oh, ang ganda ng panahon. Hindi siya mainit. Saktong lamig lang. Mahangin dito. Saya. Wala na yung circus dito. Hindi pa kami nakapanood. Wala na, umalis na. Guys, so madami kaming nabili. Eto guys, bumili din kami ng ice cream. Ayun o, kumakain na siya.
For you.
Kasi naglalakad lang kami, so bumili kami para naman may mangat-ngat kami habang naglalakad.
Open now. Open for you.
That please. You open the right.
Correct side.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Ganito siya oh.
You like?
Yes. Strawberry.
Yep.
This is what we ate last time.
We ate this one. Different. Rocket come from.
Where is it going?
Must try to go there, I think.
Yeah.
Dude, where we go with the truck? You like it? With the birds.
So, eto guys, yung mga pinagbibili namin. Ito oh. Girdle. Ito. Tapos, para naman sa kanya, yung correction. Ano ba to? Back correction. Ito. At saka, ito, para sa paa. Yes. Yun lang guys, yung binili namin. Excited kami guys, so isusuot namin yung binili natin. Ito yung binili niya. This is nice. Ito try namin.
Good?
Damn! Oh my gosh.
What you wish? Oh.
Thank you. Ito guys, okay siya. Oh my god.
Let's see how it should be put. Let's look.
Oh, ang ganda guys. Simple lang siya guys. Sa Jumbo namin to nabili. Ganito siya oh. Parang, what is this? Mat?
I think.
Alam niyo yung ano, yung mat na pang-exercise. Ganon yung style nito. Tapos dito ko, ano na siya. Parang rubber. Rubber pala siya guys. Rubber. So, iisa lang yung size nito. Kasi, tapos, dito mo lang siya ididikit.
So, not being the back.
Ayan. And siya guys. Naglalaro siya. What are you playing?
Star Wars Battlefront first.
Ha? Star Wars daw. Star Wars Battle Play? Starbuhin natin. What? Star Wars what? Star Wars what?
It's a Star Wars game.
Star Wars what?
Yeah, find out. I not it's so funny.
Eh, blood daw. Blood, mama's talking.
I'm not tweeting.
Dinownload niya yan kagabi. Tapos, ngayon lang na-install. No?
Yeah, install it. I took them out.
Let's.
Just 5 minutes.
Hello guys. Hello guys, may ano kami dito, may prutas. Ito yung cherry. Binili niya. Tapos, you bought this one? The cherry and the strawberry? To your workmate?
Yes, I went to buy from someone who sold the fruits.
Ito yan guys, strawberry. Dito lang ako nakakatikim ng mga fruits na ganito guys.
Da.
Honestly. Dito lang ako nakatikim. Sa Pilipinas dati, 'di ba, meron naman sa Baguio, pero hindi ako nakakatikim.
You like the fruits?
I like it. Dito ang laki pero parang malamya. Naglalaro siya. Kain ikaw.
Like it?
Tapos binigyan kami nung kapitbahay, no? Betchin.
Not from our neighbor, da.
Binigyan kami ng isang casserole. One pot.
Hmm?
One pot. Casserole pot.
That one at casserole I bought. That casserole I bought, but our neighbor
No!
also gave.
In a pot. Ang daming, yung casserole, iba kasi yung casserole sa kanila guys, yung parang lagayan ng mga karne-karne na galing sa store. Yun, casserole kasi tawag nila. Yung isang kaserola sa atin na ganito kataas. Ay, paano ba? Ganito kataas. Ganito kataas, guys. Binigyan kami ng kapitbahay. Ang dami, ang lalaki pa. Parang ganito kalaki, But it seems like it's not fresh. The one,
Why?
the one that they gave to us.
But why do you think it's not fresh one?
I don't know. The taste is different and the one that you bought is also different.
Really? Really?
So yun lang guys. Maxi, hi! May bisita kasi kaya sinara. Hi! Maxi, hi! Maxi!